What's up, y'all? I'm Kwani. This is Junie. As you can see, I got a whole bunch of stuff from PC. This you already seen in the past unboxing, the i9, the Core i9 K. And I have my motherboard here, my RAM, and then here's my actual PC. I'm a beginner, so I'm gonna try to put this together, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna need YouTube for some help, but I'm gonna try it. We're gonna see how this goes, so let's do it. Don't worry, I'm gonna change the camera angle and it's gonna look way better, but this isn't really showing anything. I'm just unscrewing the tempered glass. I still got the plastic on my glass too. That's just something I do. I like to keep my shit fresh. See? Glass on there. Alright, I'm about to get started. I seen in the last clip the bottom of it was filthy, so I cleaned that. So we can start. I'll probably do a time lapse in between these, unless I'm talking. But yeah, I'm about to start this shit. I'm on YouTube at the same time, so. That's out. Let's get it. Alright, I'm excited as fuck. I got that out by myself. Alright, now I gotta take this RAM out. Touching this, I'm not trying to get shot. Got it. Let's go. If I'm doing something wrong, I'm a beginner. I'm coming straight from PS4 to PC. So let me learn. Alright, sorry if the camera is crooked or whatever. I'm trying my best. I finally got that power supply out. See if I can use it. Got everything off. Cable back here. Just gotta figure out what to do with this thing here. So still at it. Keep going until I can get it. I guess I'm halfway through. I just unscrew all of these. Like I said, I've been using YouTube. My boy was supposed to help me out, but like I said before in the last video, this process was supposed to be here on Tuesday or Wednesday, and it just arrived 3 days later, and he's back at work, so he's stuck by myself. Better that way anyways. Next time I want to do this, I'll just be a beast at it. Alright, see if we can pull this up. There's another screw somewhere. Oh, these big ass screws. I'm gonna miss that. There's the RAM, probably installing it wrong, but hopefully I'm not. If I am, I'll probably fix it before the video ends. I'm jumping through everything. I got the motherboard out, my old one. This is the new one. I put the RAM in, and now I just have to put the CPU and or processor or whatever. And right now it's been 50 minutes to an hour, so working this for a while. I gotta work in the morning, so I need to hurry it up, but I don't want to rush it because I'm not trying to ruin anything. This is my first time. Now I have to take this thing out. So push this up. Gently remove it. There we go. Now we put the CPU in, and from there it should be easy. Alright, so I got the CPU on there. Hopefully everything is correct on that end. Like I said, it's the i9 core. I don't know if you can see it, but I got the new motherboard in there. I'm putting it back in, everything back in. This shit, man. I mean, it's not so hard. I'm gonna finish this and we'll go from there.
One week later.
I just purchased the Master Air Cool. What is it? Cool Master? This was the missing piece to the PC, so I'm about to install this right now. Like that or more?
Yeah, that's good.
That's good. Alright, cool.
What does that do?
That's like to cool it or something like that.
What does it do?
Okay.
It's like to cool it. This.
You think it's gonna work?
Yeah.
It doesn't matter who likes you.
Just stays like that.
Hey, let's get it. How that's looking up? But good?
Is that right? Ashley, is it supposed to be on there like that?
Okay, so I got the fan in there that I just unboxed. You can check the video out. I uploaded today. This took me like 2 hours to put in. I'm a beginner, so bear with me. Got the RAM, I moved it over. I FaceTimed my boy. He helped me. My girl helped me. I got the capture card and the dual adapter back in there. So, I hook these wires back up. Like I said, I might have something wrong, but I'm gonna figure it out as I go. I'm gonna put the glass on and then I'm gonna start it up. Alright, let's start up for the first time since putting the new stuff in. Oh, didn't hit the switch in that. Let's see. Alright. Powered on. I know I need a little bit of wire management, but this is CPU or memory change. Let me figure this out. Alright, so I got the computer up and running. I had to reset everything in my computer. There it is, it's on. You seen it in the last clip. Yeah, but I had to reset everything on my computer, on my files, because I changed the motherboard and it was acting stupid. But I got the CPU up there, test the speed test or whatever it is. Like I said, I have to play around with it, the settings and stuff, make it a bit faster. I'm gonna try some video games out on it. I'm still gonna continue to get like a new GPU, a new what is it, capture card, but that's coming later. I just have to get the hard part out the way. This honestly took me like a week because when I had the gray shirt on in the first couple clips, I forgot that I needed a fan to cool off my CPU, so I had to wait till that got delivered from Amazon. But for a beginner, I didn't do too bad. I had a lot of help, but I don't think I did too bad. Let's see, memory, Yeah, 15. You see both of the RAMs are in there. Everything is working fine now. Can't get my old background back. I don't know where the fuck it's at. I tried to Google it, but it's not there. But yeah, let me show you the tower again. It's the fan, the RAM over there on the right. This video is everywhere, but I'm gonna edit it up, try my best. It's my first PC build. I only could get better from here, so please like, subscribe, and follow me on Twitch. Appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next video.